Hi everyone, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. Today I'm on the Miele coffee maker. So nice and great, we're gonna make a cappuccino and a latte macchiato, kind of upgrade from your regular standard black coffee. So bean container's full, water's full. I have the milk pitcher right here that I've actually just filled up. See how this is? It only goes in one way. I like to put my thumbs here, put it here, glide it right in, and then you'll hear it click right in there. And now it's in, so that's good. Then we'll put our cup in right here. And now here's where the interface comes into play. So here's our cappuccino, here's our cappuccino Italiano, latte macchiato. If we hit this, it'll make a double, which is cool, you know, if you have people waiting for it. If you want to do two coffees at once, it gives you the option to kind of go like this, and see how these spouts are right here? It'll drip down and we could actually make two coffees at once, you know, for everybody waiting. But if it's just a single person, we can just go like that. Then we'll hit the cappuccino. We're gonna do the cappuccino Italiano right now. It'll ask us the bean type. You know, we're gonna go with the bean type in bean shoot B, okay? We'll hit that, we'll hit save. And now see how the arm's gonna go down, it's gonna hit the cup and it's gonna stop right there and release up. So it really senses the cup in this one. Now it's grinding the beans and it's gonna tamper to extract it, and then we're gonna froth some milk, okay? Dispensing out our espresso right now. So you see the crema, you see the oil coming from the extraction. So that's really good quality coffee no matter what bean you use. Look at the steam on that, nice and hot, layer out very well. Look at that layering, isn't that great? So we used an oversized cup just to show you, but this is really the portion you want to see and how it's gonna, you know, separate on there. Keeping all that foam and that froth to the top and really settling with the coffee on the bottom. You're gonna see it's really gonna be a little bit clearer in a few seconds. That's unbelievable. That's a one-step coffee. So this is an Italian, this is an Italian cappuccino, and you can adjust the parameters in the maintenance and settings category, but that's a perfect coffee.